I'm Chef Rich Landau from Veg Restaurant in Philadelphia. Veg is a vegetable restaurant. We are completely plant-based. Our goal is to show you that you can have a completely satisfying meal without any animal products whatsoever. We put vegetables in the middle of the plate. One of my favorite go-to ingredients are California walnuts. I love them for their texture, I love them for their flavor, but most of all, I love them for their versatility. Walnuts are a pure food, and you'll never have to explain what's in your dish when you're using walnuts. Today I'm going to do a take on a classic crab cake using California walnuts and jackfruit. These cakes are amazing. They are great as an appetizer. You can put them on a bun and serve them as a sandwich. You can make a seashore platter out of them with French fries, coleslaw, some vegan tartar sauce, and cocktail sauce. But today I'm going to serve them with a walnut romesco sauce. These two recipes are just wonderful, great plant-based recipes that feature California walnuts. You're going to love them. Let's get started. We have some Nutri-Oil down, some sunflower oil, and we'll start off with some onion and some bell pepper. A little garlic, and we are going to brown them. Now that we have some color, we're going to add in our walnuts and our jackfruit. Dried oregano, nutritional yeast, seafood seasoning, salt, and pepper. Now that we've got some great color here, the seasonings have browned, we are going to add some white wine to deglaze. If you're unfamiliar with jackfruit, this stuff is amazing. It makes a great meat substitute. It's an incredible texture, but it needs something else. It needs a little bit of a binder, and that's why I love walnuts with it. Okay, the mixture's fully cooked, the wine's absorbed, we're ready to put it into the food processor. Into the food processor, we are just going to pulse these very gently. You don't want to puree it. We're just going to give them a light pulse because we want a chunky, coarse texture. And that's exactly what you're looking for there. Lots of texture, but enough to bind it. We're going to transfer this mixture into our mixing bowl. We're going to add walnut flour. Walnut flour is something you can make by just pulsing walnuts in the food processor or the coffee mill till you get a nice fine powder. It acts as a great binder and helps keep this dish gluten-free. To this, we're going to add vegan mayo, Dijon mustard, and some lemon juice. And we're going to fold that in. So we're going to chill this mixture for about 30 minutes so we can form them into cakes. So we have our mixture out of the refrigerator and we're ready to start to form it into cakes. And you can see that that walnut flour has really become a binder. By the way, walnuts are called the omega nut. They're the only tree nut that has an excellent source of plant-based omega-3s. You can use a ring mold if you want something more elegant. I love this kind of rustic, hand-formed look right here. Now, if you're going to make these into an appetizer, you'll do something much smaller. But I like these big cakes. I like to make a statement on the plate. All right, so nice hot pan, and in they go. All right, so after a few minutes, they've been flipped, and look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Let them rest for a second while we make our romesco sauce. This is a sauce basically made from roasted red peppers, traditionally uses almonds, sherry vinegar, olive oil, sometimes herbs, but lots of garlic. Today we're going to make ours with walnuts. I just think they're a meatier alternative to almonds. They add so much richness, almost a butteriness to the romesco sauce. So into the food processor we go with our mixture of roasted peppers and walnuts. A little bit of tomato in there, and of course lots of garlic. Into the mixture, sherry vinegar, a little bit of smoked paprika, and you want a green herb. Thyme works, we have parsley today. Rosemary works, sage works, whatever you have on hand. While it's moving, we're going to drizzle in extra virgin olive oil. And to get it to just the right consistency, some water. All right, and when it's done, you should have this beautiful, chunky, delicious relish. And then we bring over our beautiful seared walnut and jackfruit cakes. Right there. Lemon wedge, a little bit of arugula. There you have it, seared walnut and jackfruit cakes with a walnut romesco sauce.